The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Johnson County and north central Texas until 12:45 a.m. At 11:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Keene, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Burleson, Cleburne, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Venus, Grandview, Cross Timber, Rio Vista, and Briar Oaks. This includes Interstate 35 west between mile markers 14 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive vehicle-flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for north central Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wise County in north central Texas, southern Montague County, north central Texas, northeastern Jack County in north central Texas until 12:45 a.m. At 11:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Albert, Chico, Forestburg, Sunset, Boonesville, Runaway Bay, and Lake Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.